Hi there, today our team at Verde Salon is going to be showing you 3 easy going out styles for curly hair. Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to do an easy updo with one of our jaw clips. So I'm going to start out with one of our Birch accessories clips. You're going to gather all your hair to the back of your head. I like to pull out a few pieces in front of my face, turn it around so you guys can see a little better. Just like a ponytail. So you're going to take one hand, grab the ponytail. With your other hand, you're going to be holding the end of the ponytail. And then you're going to twist it counterclockwise just with your finger, keeping it nice and tight with your head. Don't worry if it's feeling too tight. We're going to go in and loosen it up afterwards. Then you're going to grab your jaw clip and then just clip that right into the hair there. Make sure it's nice and secure. You can leave it like this if you like it looking a little bit tighter, but what I like to do is just take the hair, pull it apart a little bit. I kind of just go by feel, pull it over my ears. I'll come back to the front. See how I like the hair that's in the front here as well. And pull down a few. And that's the style. To do this half up style, I'm going to be using one of our small tray sheet clips. I'm going to start out by twisting my hair back, just like this. You can grab hair as you go as well. To make it easier on yourself, I take the clip one side back, and then I'll grab the other side. I also like to leave 2 small pieces in front of my face just to frame it. Because this is my lighter side of my hair as well, I'm not going to be grabbing as much hair. But still twisting it back in the same motion. Now I have both of the pieces in my hands at the back. And I'm going to twist them together. And just secure that with the clip. Once it feels secure, I'll take a look at how it looks in the front and then just loosen up anything that I'm not liking how it's sitting. And then that's just a cute little half clip there. So today I'm going to be doing 2 little space buns. So I'm going to start out by using 2 of our scrunchies. I'm going to take one side of my hair, and I'm just going to twist it into a small bun. And then secure it with one of our scrunchies. I'm just going to wrap it one time around. And then I'll just loosen up the bun. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. So by loosening it up, it's going to make it look a bit fuller. The scrunchie also does help to add a bit of volume to the bun as well. And then also I'm going to be using a little bit of our air control hairspray and just spray down any little flyaways. Subscribe for more tutorials and check out all of the products in the description box below.